letters and lumbers, where thick quinking and a knit of bouse is all you'll need to din the way. I'm Richard Morecroft, and with much more than just a spoonful of knowledge, the talented mathematician, Lily Serna.
Hi, Richard.
And the lilful skinguist, David Astle. What's going on here, David? I can't peaks properly.
Length of thought, Richard, length of thought. That was a great readout, fantastic. Very tricky to say all those spoonerisms. That's what you've been saying. And a spoonerism is named after William Archibald Spooner, who did have that habit of transposing initials one to the other. So he would say, instead of loving shepherd, because he was a reverend, he would say shoving leopard.
It makes it hard to kink theory. That's the trouble, you know, it really does. But I mean, Lily, I, introduced you with Lily Serna, but you don't ever get that properly, do you?
I've had it since early high school. It's kind of a name that's stuck, so people just call me Silly now sometimes.
Oh, really? Just,
yeah.
Oh, silly?
Silly, yeah.
Well, they don't occasionally say, Lerner.
No, they don't call me Lerner.
Got rid of the old place.
Although I am a learner.
Well, welcome, Lily. Welcome, David. Thank you. Back to proper names now. Let's meet our two contestants for this evening, starting with our carryover champion, systems engineer, Craig Hill. Welcome back, Craig.
Thanks, Richard.
Now, you're a bit of a cricketer.
Yeah, a bit of a cricket tragic.
Do you play often?
I used to play up until recently. I enjoy getting out in the sun and spending some time with the guys. But
I used to play until recently. Doesn't sound like a happy story.
Yeah, had a bit of a run in with the ball. I guess
it wasn't by any chance the first ball that you were bowled.
I was actually fielding, first ball of the game, and standing a little too close to the bat, evidently, and discovered what my limits my reflexes is. That's for sure.
And you tried to eat the ball.
Yeah, I had made a bit of a mess of my face and lost the front tooth, unfortunately. So back on deck now, and don't know if I'll get out in the cricket field anytime soon, though.
All right, a little bit nervous, but understandably so. But no chance of tooth injury tonight.
Hopefully not.
No. Welcome, Craig. And tonight's challenger is commercialisation manager Ben Fisher. Hello, Ben.
Hi, Richard.
Now, you like to travel, as many people do, but, you don't just like to laze around the pool. What do you get up to?
I love getting out and seeing the world. I think it's got a lot to offer. I've been through treks across Africa, treks through the Grand Canyon, and did a driving trip around Northern Ireland not so long ago.
So what are the perfect ingredients for your kind of travel?
I think I like to travel with someone who's willing to be spontaneous and do something on the spur of the moment. Sometimes planning can get in the way of the most amazing experiences, and certainly I'd say to other people that travel, definitely take the opportunities when they arise.
Well, take the opportunities tonight, because they'll be rich and varied. Great to have you with us. Please welcome both of them, carryover champion Craig Hill and challenger Ben Fisher. We start the week in classic fashion with our letters game, where, of course, the aim is to try to make the longest word that you can in just 30 seconds. And, Craig, off you go.
I'll start with a consonant, thank you.
Sure. Let's start with M.
And another, please.
B.
And another, thanks.
S.
And a vowel.
A.
Another vowel, please.
O.
And another vowel.
E.
Consonant.
N.
Another consonant.
C.
And I'll finish with a vowel, please.
And last letter, I.
Thank you, Lily. Our first thinking time. How'd you go with those first letters, Craig?
I got a 6, Richard.
Ben?
I also got a 6, Richard.
Let's have yours first.
I had cosine.
Craig?
Mosaic.
There's a couple of nice words, but a little bit dodgy, starting with something to do with numbers.
Exactly right. You need to actually get on my side here, Ben, with the letters. No, look, good stuff. Cosine, mosaic, well done. And these letters combined well to give combines for 8.
Well found, David. And nice start for Craig and Ben, both straight onto the scoreboard, 6 each. More letters, but just before we do, now, Ben, I understand that you and Lily have a bit of a competitive history already. How did that happen?
Yes, we have. I play trivia quite regularly. It's a midweek drink at a pub, and probably a few months ago now, I was in there and noticed that Lily was actually in another team.
All right, so there was Team Serna.
Yeah.
Who were you playing with, Lily?
With my brother Andy and my sister-in-law.
Oh, okay. And so you were actually playing against each other. How did you go?
I'm not sure, actually. I don't know who you are.
Any particularly tricky questions?
Actually, there was a question where each team had to pick a nominated person to go up for a maths question, and the first person to get it would win the point. And so, of course, my team kind of sent me up, and I didn't get it. I didn't get it first.
Minor embarrassment.
Bit embarrassing, yeah.
Okay. Well, let's see how the letters go this time around, Ben. You should choose some.
Can I get a consonant, please?
Sure. Let's start with R.
And another consonant?
N.
And another consonant.
L.
I'll switch to a vowel, please.
O.
And another vowel, please.
I.
One more consonant.
M.
And another consonant.
T.
A vowel.
A.
And another vowel, please.
And last letter, another A.
30 seconds. Well, Ben, I hope you're not competing with Lily here, but how many did you get?
I got an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
That's a great score. Craig?
6.
6 for you. Let's begin there.
Taylor?
Taylor, and you're 8.
Well, it competes with David again, but it's rational.
Rational. Oh, well, that's well in the word camp, isn't it, David?
Now you're on my side. No,
I suppose you can have rational numbers, can't you?
Well, that's true, actually, yes. Define rational. No, it's a great 8. Well played. Animator is there, and so is matronal, I think would be how you pronounce it, and that relates to a matron, matronal.
Some great words in that mix. Nicely found and well scored for Ben. 8 points. Time to encourage the equation persuasion now with our first numbers of the week. Craig, what combination would you like?
I might go with the perfect match, please, Lee.
Thanks, Craig. That's 3 large and 3 small. And our numbers. 4, 2, 5, and the 3 large, 25, 75, and 100. The target to reach is 428.
We're after it. Well, Craig, that pen's been down a little while. Does that suggest that you got there?
I did, yeah.
428 on target. Ben?
427.
Okay, one away. Craig, tell us what you did.
No problem. I started with 4 times 100, Lily, 400.
4 times 100 is 400.
Added the 25 for 425.
Add the 25.
And to make the remaining 3, 5 minus 2.
5 minus 2.
And I added that on.
428 was on, Craig.
Very nice. No problems there on a Monday night. Straight to the target. First numbers game. Same approach from you, Lily?
Yeah, exactly the same.
Can I offer another one?
Please, yeah.
Just a little thought.
Yeah.
Which is 100.
100
Plus 5 plus 2
plus
is 107.
7, yeah.
Times 4.
Richard Morecroft. Wow.
Oh, it's Monday night. Something strange is happening. Just seemed like the easy way to go.
That's incredible.
Not too much, but, just a little bit. Thank you, Lily. And well done to Craig, 10 points. So, Ben, 14, Craig, 16. We're heading for our first break. Your first word mix for tonight is suave rod. And the clue, prolonged the enjoyment for the senses. See you after this.